free driver education to help you ace your driving test. Truby Cars.
Speed limit sign on the right hand side, maximum 40 kilometers. We are in a residential area, so I'm going to do a shoulder check going around the parked vehicles, shoulder check to the right to pull back to my side. And now the road is turning to the right side, so we have to cover our brake, looking in my rear view mirror as well, looking in the direction that I want to go. Shoulder check going around this parked vehicle, shoulder check again, pulling back to the right hand side. So same thing here, slowing down and looking in the direction I want to go. And when you're turning on the curves, it's a common mistake that students do, or even experienced drivers, they go in the wrong lane. So when you're turning, just make sure you're still staying in your lane. Stop sign, we will turn left, so I have my left signal on. Now this stop sign, it's a one-way stop sign, so we come to a complete stop and checking on both sides, no pedestrians. Now I roll forward, checking traffic, looks clear, and now we can complete our turn. So let's turn left at this traffic light. So left signal on, keeping my car closer to the center line here and maintaining distance from the car in front of me. They are also turning left, looking in my rear view mirror, light turns green, and scanning the intersection again. No oncoming traffic, no pedestrian crossing, so that means we are good to turn. Change lane, signal, mirror check, shoulder check, move over to the right hand lane. This traffic light here, the next traffic light, we will be turning right. So I'm going to signal right. So far the light is green, but it can change any second. Ready, go. So light changed. I'm looking in my rear view mirror as well. Complete stop here before the stop line. So that's the very first thing you need to do. Okay, so look in the as you start to brake, look in your rear view mirror to see what's happening behind, and come to a complete stop because your light is red. Now you can look at everything else. Now you can look at if there is any prohibited sign. Like on this intersection, we don't see any prohibited sign, so that means we can actually turn right on a red light. And there is no pedestrian crossing, so I'm just gonna slowly move forward and checking traffic. Nobody here, that means we can complete our right hand turn. Speed limit sign, maximum 40 kilometers. We are in a residential area again. Now we see a stop sign coming up, and looks like this stop sign is all-way stop sign. So from this stop sign we can go right. So I have my right signal on, looking in my rear view mirror. Complete stop here, and the other car stopped before us, so they are going first. Right shoulder check, looks clear, and now we can complete our right hand turn. Traffic lights are coming up, and we will be turning left. And we also have a sign indicating the 40 kilometer speeds ends. So keeping my car closer to the yellow line and maintaining distance from this car, looking at the intersection to see what the intersection looks like. Checking for oncoming traffic, pedestrians, and anything else that can help me out. So the light is green, this car is turning, and there's no pedestrian, no other vehicle coming from the front, so that means we can complete our turn. And then now I'm going to signal, mirror check, shoulder check, and then change lane to the right hand side.
Free driver education to help you ace your driving test. Truby Cars.